Alright, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us, still on the matter. Yoruba Nation are going back, exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Yes, so my brother might start this one, another one will be say, they reach us now. yeah, they smell. The hardship don't reach them. You don't enter. Easy for all of them. Now waiting everybody they talk about now be this one. Kò easy fún wọn mọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ìyà yẹn náà ti dọ́dọ̀ gbogbo wọn. Èwo former governor kó máa lobby fún position nǹkan táwọn èèyàn ń pariwo ń sìn nìyẹn o. Governor wo làwa ń sọ báyìí, former governor wo là ń sọ báyìí o. Talking about the Ekiti former governor Fayemi. Now all know the man. Now this man will not they see so. Well, according to the news reaching us, that we make clear that former Ekiti governor Fayemi lobbies for appointment, mobilizes Governor Makinde ministers to beg Tinubu to make him ambassador. Àwọn èèyàn parí sá pé pẹ̀lú gbogbo bó ṣe governor ọdún mẹ́jọ tó tún ṣe minister, so ìdí kìíní ni gbogbo yín fẹ́ kú sí àbí at least ẹ tẹ̀ jẹ́ kẹ́lómi tí wọn kó kẹ́lómi náà tiẹ̀ test ẹ̀ kó tẹ̀ jẹ́ ń bẹ̀ kí ló dé ẹ jẹ́ kẹ́lómi náà jẹ́ ń bẹ̀ ṣé hardship yẹn náà ló ti wá dọ́dọ̀ yín lẹ́nu sínsìn. My brother, my sister, no be small something o. Everybody don react sha say unto this one it mean say the thing don red. If person wey be say e don do governor for 8 years can't do minister too, he can't come back now say make the help am, say make them give am appointment. My brother, my sister, this one no be small something no. Now waiting with the talk with that. Some people they will say they never chop, but you won't finish everything. People they will be say they never even test this power at all. You don't test power, you still won't continue. Well, according to the news that is reaching us, our former governor of Ekiti State, Kayode Fayemi, is lobbying President Bola Tinubu to make him an ambassador. And the Sarah reporter has a rant on this one. Well, according to the news, he has already reached out to the president using emissaries to beg the president for forgiveness for past mistakes. It was learned. Well, meanwhile, Sarah reporters gathered that Fayemi, a former minister of solid minerals, had gone to beg President Tinubu at the Aso Villa with some governors and the former governors to consider him for an appointment. Well, meanwhile, the people who went with Fayemi to beg the president are former governor of Kebbi State and the current minister for budget and economy Atiku Bagudu, Oyo State Governor Seyi Makinde, FCT Minister Nyesom Wike, and the Minister of Defense Abubakar Badaru. Well, meanwhile, a source who spoke to Sahara reporters said Kayode Fayemi mobilized these governors to beg Asiwaju Bola Tinubu to forgive him. He wants to be an ambassador. Okay. Well, meanwhile, they held a political strategy meeting today with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in Aso Rock Villa, which is not limited to his lobbying for an ambassadorial position. Meanwhile, Fayemi on January 2nd, 2024 boasted that he wouldn't beg President Tinubu for an appointment. The former governor, who spoke then in an interview with a Citizen Rapporteur, said he would not be making unsolicited calls to President Tinubu to lobby for possible opportunities to join his cabinet. When asked when he wasn't part of the administration, the former chairman of the Nigerian Governors Forum said, I worked for the party and then the president and don't forget that I wanted to be president too. So walking away from governance or politics is not going to happen. When I was stepping down, I made some remarks that I have known President Tinubu for over 3 decades, and then he knows that in or out of office, I will always be there to support his government. But I am not one of those who will make unsolicited calls on him. If he calls for me, I will answer the call. Well, according to his statement, I quote, we saw at COP 28, and then at some point he pulled me aside to discuss some things, particularly our challenges in Ondo, knowing my relationship with the governor, and then I gave him my own perspectives and then advice. So I will always be here to offer services from the background. His presidency is our collective responsibility in APC. However, repeated efforts to reach the former governor on his mobile line failed as it was not reachable. All right, and this is exactly what we are actually getting now. A lot of people have actually reacted onto this one, that former governor Fayemi lobbying for appointment, and then right now he has to mobilize Governor Makinde and some ministers to beg Tinubu to make him an ambassador. This one is not going well with majority of people. I'm getting a lot of reactions out there. I was just laughing. So Tinubu should give him the ambassador of Burundi. It is sad to know that some people have been in government since 1999 till date. They don't even want others to test this position. Then somebody is also feeling that why is it lobbying, meaning the hunger has reached his side, abi ebi ẹ náà ti dọ́dọ̀ gbogbo wọn, ẹ tí rí kankan for this one. Gbogbo yín lẹ máa jẹ gbogbo gbèsè yẹn. Well, a lot of comment keep coming in. You should allow others to test position, not only them. Now wetin happen? Well, according to Dukumosi say, well, that reminds me, I have to see a poor economic landlord to consider a plate of food. Praise FFK for the ambassador position, at least ambassador to Chad or Togo. Okay, no problem. Hunger is in the land, I beg you, make una give am the position. Now wetin some people can't they talk with that. Well, hardship don't reach inside too. Okay, we never see anything. We still they come up. Okay, that's another one. Well, somebody just said one big thing right now, that Fayemi, what is your own now? What is your problem? Only you spend 8 years as a governor. 8 years, so you can't spend 4 years as minister. Oga, go and rest now. Kilode, check àwọn lumina je kan jembe. Káwọn lumina jembe kilode ẹ lọ farapamọ́ díẹ̀, kilode de ṣẹ́yìn nìkan lọ ṣe fún ni. Well, my brother, my sister, that is their own cup of tea. But the truth of the matter right now is that there is hunger in the land. We are shouting we want to go our separate ways, no be our fault. Because even people will be say they don't chop money tire, they still they feel am. What more can we say, my brother, my sister? Yoruba nation is the only solution. Yoruba nation nìkan ló lè ṣe. All right, my brother, my sister, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this one, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.